Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why I believe that Tesla completes the acquisition of Maxwell Technologies is a game changer. Why I believe the acquisition with Maxwell is a game changer move for Tesla. I'll be explaining in this video. At least not really a game changer, but it definitely does help Tesla's bottom line. At least this is my opinion. And I have some information in this video, but right now, they officially canceled the deal with Panasonic, and now because they acquired this company, they don't have to use Panasonic technology anymore. They can be using this technology, and this would reduce the costs from the fees that they have to pay to Panasonic for using the technology. I think this is a very good move. I mean, regardless of if I think this is a good move or a bad move, Tesla stock can still go to $200. There's a lot of bears trying to attack this company. Top investor dumps 81% of stock, rebooked to Elon Musk. Articles like this is basically like Tesla stock could fall lower, say portfolio manager. I honestly believe the bears are coming out trying to scare people to sell the stock and cause the price of the stock to go down even further. But who knows? I think they're just trying to get a better buy, and they're probably trying to, I think they're just trying to get a better buy before all the big news hits Tesla in the second half of the year, like the Shanghai China factory opening up. That is going to be a stock game changer in my opinion. If they get their self-driving up, that could be a huge game changer. So I think they're trying to just get the price to go as low as possible, trying to get people to sell their stock. They're trying to create fear. At least this is just my opinion. You just gotta remember, when Tesla was back here, they were nowhere near the company they are now, and people are being like super bearish on Tesla. So it's just big money's trying to get this stock to move as low as possible. I think they're trying to get to $200. I would love a $200 price tag. I'm not gonna be selling my Tesla stock, but because I really believe in Elon Musk. I believe in the future of Tesla, and I'm gonna sit there and take that hit because I currently have 300 shares of Tesla, so I'm gonna take that pain, but I'm not gonna sell. I'm definitely gonna be adding more into my positions as the stock price moves down. So I do hope the stock price moves down, because I do plan to buy more Tesla stock the lower it goes. So yeah, that's my plan moving forward. Anyways, I got some pretty sweet videos that you can check out that I think is very entertaining. So let's begin.
Tesla's recent landmark acquisition of Maxwell Technologies for $218 million. A rare Tesla acquisition that sets Tesla up for not just cheaper batteries, but better batteries that will be lighter, have greater range, and live a longer life. It wouldn't be the first time an automotive company underestimated their battery degradation. When the Nissan Leaf debuted in 2010, the battery production they needed. Of course, just cycling the battery through its charged and discharged states is one of the biggest factors in degrading the battery. Every time you cycle the battery, you are giving the SEI layer opportunities to grow. Minimizing the number of times a cell is cycled will increase its life, and maintaining an ideal charge and discharge voltage of about 4 volts minimizes any resistive heating that may cause an increase in chemical activity. This is where Maxwell Technologies comes into play. Maxwell has 2 primary technologies that Tesla will be taking advantage of. The first is what Maxwell are known for, their ultracapacitors. Ultracapacitors serve the same fundamental job as batteries, to store energy, but they function in an entirely different way and are used for entirely different purposes. The fundamental difference between a capacitor and a battery is that a battery stores energy through chemical reactions. As we saw for lithium-ion batteries earlier, this is done through insertion into the crystal lattice. Capacitors instead store their energy by ions clinging onto the surface of the electrode. This is a standard ultracapacitor schematic. On each side we have an aluminium current collector with thin graphite electrodes on each, separated by an electrolyte and an insulating separator to prevent the passage of electrons. In an uncharged state, ions float in the electrolyte. When a voltage is applied during charging, ions drift towards their opposite charge and cling to the surface, holding the charge in place. When a device is connected to the capacitor, this charge can leave quickly, while the ions drift back into the electrolyte. The key limiting factor for ultracapacitors is the surface area available for this to happen, and nanotechnology has allowed for amazing advances in the field. This is what the inside of an ultracapacitor looks like. It contains hundreds of layers of these electrode pairs. But even with this enormous surface area, ultracapacitors simply cannot compete with batteries when it comes to energy density. Even Maxwell's best ultracapacitors have an energy density of just 7.4 watt-hours per kilogram, while the best guess for Tesla's current energy density is about 250 watt-hours per kilogram. Counter to what corporate-owned tech channels may tell you, ultracapacitors are not intended to be a replacement for batteries. They are intended to work in conjunction with batteries. Ultracapacitor strength is their ability to quickly charge and discharge without being worn down. This makes them a great buffer to place between the motors and the battery. Their high discharge rate will allow them to give surges of electricity to the motors when rapid acceleration is needed and allow them to charge quickly when braking, saving the battery from unnecessary cycles and boosting its ability to quickly provide current when needed for acceleration. This is going to be a massively important technology for two upcoming Tesla vehicles. The Tesla Roadster 2, which will boast an acceleration of 0 to 60 in just 1.9 seconds, which a normal battery would struggle to achieve the discharge rate needed without damaging itself. The second vehicle is the Tesla Truck. I have made
Both those products would do extremely well. So I don't know, like, at the end of the day, you know, one day Aurora could be like this, and people are like, why is Aurora going down like this? Right now it isn't, but there was times when Aurora was like this, and it's all on investor sentiment. Right now, investors are bearish, and on top of that, there are people who are cutting cutting the price target for Tesla, coming up with negative videos, negative articles, and trying to get the stock price to go as low as possible. They're trying to get people to sell, and I don't know. I honestly, I'm not selling. I'm gonna hold it out, and I'm gonna take the pain with Elon Musk. Because Elon Musk owns 20% of Tesla. But anyways, that's enough of Tesla. I'm just going to talk about the cannabis a little bit. Man today, down, and then had a small bounce at the end. I don't know if tomorrow will be a nice little bounce up or it'll continue its downtrend. I don't know. Looks like to me that it's just going to continue to keep going down, but I'm hoping this price hits $3. It's so damn close, $3.20, just another like 20 cents. I don't think I'm gonna get my $3 target, but you never know in the market, so I'm definitely, it's something I'm aiming for. That's all I really have. Afira, the market is not officially closed yet. It's 342. It's up, 5 cents. I think this stock is just gonna float around here for a while until some big news pops it. I think it's waiting. I think the stock is just waiting on a big piece of news from Afria before it moves to the upside. But this is just my opinion. Aurora is. I'm surprised. I'm really shocked. Aurora might just go back and float around $9 for a while, or even crazier. It could go all the way up to like $10+. That would be pretty crazy. I would be sad and I'd be kind of sad if it went to $10, but at the same time, I'm still making money. I would rather be in that ride, but whatever. I can funnel my money into other companies that I believe in too. So, like Tesla, I got a lot of money for Tesla. So if you enter $200, I definitely increase my investment money. So yeah, I'm hoping it goes down. I'm also buying call options on the way down. Like, so if Tesla hits about $220, I would put a call option for $215, and then I would sell off my original one at $225. So, you know, I'll just keep buying options on the way down. So, you know, just in case. You know, so I always guaranteed to buy at least 100 shares. At least this is my plan moving forward. So I really do hope it goes down another $8, because I would love to put another call option on it. I don't know how it got to Tesla. Anyways, I think that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope that, I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates. And have a great day. Bye.